Here we have some numbers. Ronaldo, Messi, and Neymar. Which footballer earned the most money from Instagram in 2021? So who? I guess that's like a total figure, but it also probably says what a post is going to cost you. What do you think it would? Before you scroll down, because I already looked at this article, if you want to get, if Willie Do wants to get a post to promote the, let's say, the Lou Later show on Ronaldo's Instagram account, what do you think you're going to pay for that?
One post?
Yeah, just one post, just one promotion, man. But he's got like, I think 300 million followers on Instagram, something like that.
I'm going to say maybe 200 G's.
You're not bad. You're not bad. It's about I think it's about £500,000 British pounds. This is written in pounds. But this has a whole list of, and of course this is an estimate. They're just guessing, but they have the top 20. And you have the total earned number in British pounds. And then you also have the per post number in British pounds. So you can scroll all the way down to the bottom to see those top dudes. Coming in second place is going to be Messi. Yeah, you have Beckham is still there. 2.742 million pounds. I'm sure these are guesses. No one's sharing these numbers publicly. Ronaldinho, Neymar, there's a huge jump there for the top three guys. There's another big jump between 3 and 2. Lionel Messi, 17,192,000 pounds and a cost of around 400,000 pounds per Instagram post. So they're very close. Ronaldo is 19 million pounds. Now remember, this is they're suggesting that this is the money earned just off Instagram. It's not including any type of external
sponsored deals,
endorsements that are not on Instagram, or obviously as well their salary from playing the sport. The per post cost £562,000 is what you would have to pay for Cristiano Ronaldo to promote your Twitter account. Some of the brands, by the way, that Ronaldo was promoting: Herbalife, Therabody, and of course, a lifetime sponsor, Nike, was on there as well. He has 389 million followers, at least at this moment right now. I think he also has his own brand, and there's probably plenty more to be promoted on your Instagram account. Well, you have that many followers.
I'm very surprised at this number.
Which number?
The Instagram post number.
The per post number?
The total.
Yeah, it's like Kim Kardashian.
It's a lot.
Kim Kardashian's very similar to that.
Am I crazy? That's a lot of money.
Am I crazy? Yeah. No, it is.
And he has these other businesses, and he has endorsements, and he gets paid playing football. And it's just like, man, it's a wrong profession.
For you? You should go kick a ball, all right?
I should, yeah.
Listen, it's one of the most followed accounts in the world. So regardless of what he happens to do for a living, it's just, where are you going to put a post to 400 million people? If you need a post quickly to 400 million people, you got to go talk to Ronaldo.
Yeah.
He'll take care of you.
I wonder if crypto.com is going to get this guy.
Oh, yeah.
I'm curious.
Crypto will get these guys, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Crypto got unlimited cash.